The 4 different types of trauma are acute trauma, which is typically a one-time event. So often that's something like a natural disaster, like a flood or a hurricane. That would be considered an acute trauma. And certainly there are emotional acute traumas as well. The second type of trauma is chronic trauma, and that is typically multiple acute traumas over a prolonged period of time. The third type of trauma is complex trauma, which typically means that there are multiple types of trauma that happen over a long period of time. And often when I see this, it's in the form of developmental trauma, which is trauma that happens over a longer period of time in our developmental years. And usually it affects our ability to have really healthy relationships in our adult years. The fourth type of trauma is intergenerational and historical trauma. Historical trauma is when large groups of people are traumatized over time. Intergenerational trauma is trauma that we pass down from generation to generation. It was first noticed in the families of the survivors of Holocaust victims. And science is now finding that we actually hold implicit memories in our bodies for 5 generations. So it's a newer area of study, but it is one that is important